Narrator, you've probably heard of Monzo. It's that sleek, purple banking app that's promising to revolutionize how we manage our money. But have you ever wondered who's actually backing this digital banking giant? Who's the traditional bank pulling the strings behind the curtain? Let's dive in. Now, you might think Monzo is a full-fledged bank, right? With its own branches, ATMs, and all the traditional banking stuff. But here's the twist. Monzo isn't actually a bank in the traditional sense. It's what we call a challenger bank. A challenger bank is essentially a tech company that offers banking services. They don't have the same overhead as traditional banks, which means they can offer better deals, more flexibility, and a whole lot of tech-savvy features. But there's a catch. To offer those core banking services like holding your money and processing payments, they need to partner with a traditional bank. So, who's the bank behind the Monzo magic? Well, for the UK market, Monzo holds its own banking license. That means they're directly regulated by the Financial Conduct Authority, FCA, and can offer full current accounts to their customers. This is a big deal because it gives Monzo a lot more independence compared to other challenger banks that rely on partner banks. But what about Monzo's expansion into other markets? For instance, in the US, Monzo doesn't have a US banking license. So, how do they operate there? The answer lies in a partnership with Sutton Bank, an Ohio-based bank. Sutton Bank provides the necessary banking infrastructure for Monzo to offer its services to U.S. customers. So, while Monzo might feel like a standalone entity with its sleek app and innovative features, it's essential to remember that partnerships with traditional banks play a crucial role in its operations. Now, this partnership model isn't unique to Monzo. Many other challenger banks operate in a similar way. It's a strategic move that allows them to focus on technology and customer experience while relying on established banks for the core banking functions. But here's the thing, while these partnerships are essential for challenger banks to function, it's also important to understand the implications. For instance, if the partner bank faces financial difficulties, it could potentially impact the challenger bank and its customers. So, the next time you're using your Monzo app to split a bill with friends or set up a savings pot, remember that there's a traditional bank working behind the scenes to make it all possible. It's a fascinating world of finance, isn't it? The blend of technology and traditional banking is shaping the future of how we manage our money. And while Monzo has certainly made waves in the industry, it's essential to look beyond the shiny app and understand the complex partnerships that make it all work. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.